I think dividing the roles and responsibilities as a couple when you're working together in the Sandler business is a really important part of it, because you want to both have the freedom to do what you excel in and to be responsible for your role in the business.
Yeah, dividing responsibilities and roles as a couple in running a Sandler business together is really about developing what is your each unique area of skill and passion.
That can sometimes be challenging if you're also married, but I think the more you can define and have a good upfront contract on who's going to do what and how that's going to work out, and is it okay if we decide this doesn't work out, what will happen then, the more you can bring the end to the beginning and figure out what those things will look like and agree on them, the more success you'll have.
We have a shortcut in Sandler. It's the assessment process that we take our clients through. We use ourselves. It helps us identify what are those areas that we have natural wiring that will help us flourish, and what are the areas that we need personally to be working on. One surprising thing about being involved in Sandler for me was I thought I was buying a business. What I was buying is an opportunity to look in a mirror and change who I am.
And if you have a good working relationship as a couple and you haven't ever worked together in a business before, I think it's especially important to have that upfront contract, to know what you're getting into and what it's going to look like and what success will look like.
And when you're doing that together with your spouse and you're both working for the common good, not only of your family but of your clients, wow, that is a very fulfilling and very rewarding life.